This is Euclid Book 5, proposition number 5, and the proposition states, if a magnitude is the same multiple of a magnitude that a subtracted part is of a subtracted part, then the remainder also is the same multiple of the remainder that the whole is of the whole. And you're probably sitting there going, what in the world is Euclid talking about this time? All right. He says, let the magnitude A be. Well, here is A and here is B. You can see here's magnitude AB, be the same multiple of the magnitude CD. Well, here's CD right here. All right, now CD, we're going to tell you right now, in this particular case, it is 1.5 inches long. And AB, if you'll measure it correctly, will be 4.5 inches long. Okay? That the subtracted part AE, well, here's AE here, okay, is of CF. Well, here's CF right here. Now, CF is 1 inch long. And 1 inch plus 1 inch plus 1 inch is 3 inches. Okay? Now, what we're going to try to prove is that EB right here, see EB right here, is the same multiple of CG, it's the same multiple of the remainder FD, EB is here. It's going to be the same multiple of FD right here, that the whole AB here is of CD. Okay, so what we're going to say is that EB is 3 times as large as FD. Okay. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a line CG. We're going to extend CD out to G. Okay, and CG, we're going to make this into a 1/2 inch line here, okay, and so CG is, okay, EB is the same multiple of CG, okay, so this is 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, that makes 1.5 inches, so EB is the same multiple of CG as AE of CF, okay, well here's AE, and here's CF. So AE is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is 3 CFs. Remember, we said that CF was an inch long, and AE here is 3 inches long because CF is 1 inch. 1, 2, 3. So far, so good. Then, since AE is the same multiple of CF, well, here's AE, and it's the same multiple of CF, we just said that EB is of GC, EB, GC here. Remember, there's 1, 2, 3 of these here, okay? Therefore, AE, right here, is the same multiple of CF, right here, that AB is of GF. Okay, now GF happens to be 1.5 inches long because CF is 1 inch and GC is a 1/2 inch. So AB is 4.5 inches long because GF is 1.5 inches, and 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 makes 4.5 inches. Alright, but we assumed at the beginning that AE is the same multiple of CF. Well, here's AE and here's CF. That AB is of CD. Okay? So we said that there was 3 CFs in AE. 1, 2, 3. And we also said that there were 3 CDs in AB. Okay? Therefore, AB is the same multiple of each magnitude GF and CD. Okay, well GF is 1.5 inches long and CD is 1.5 inches long, and we already said that AB is 4.5 inches long. Okay, so there are 3 GFs in AB. There are also 3 CDs in AB. Okay, this is becoming very important here, so hang on. GF, the length of GF equals the length of CD. And we've already said that. GF is 1.5 inches, and so is CD. Subtract CF from each. Okay, well, we're going to subtract this middle part here, CF, from GF, and we're going to subtract CF from CD. All right. The remainder, GC. Well, here's CG right here. Okay, the remainder, CG right here, is going to be the same length as the remainder DF. Okay, CG and DF are going to be exactly the same length, which is a 1/2 inch. And since AE is the same multiple CF, okay, well here we got AE is the same multiple CF as EB of GC. Here's EB here, GC here, okay? And we already said that there are 3 of these in EB, just as there are 3 CFs in AE, okay? We said that. And we already know that the length of CG equals the length of DF. Therefore, AE, right here, is the same multiple of CF that EB right here, EB right here contains 3 DFs, okay? EB contains 3 DFs. Now, we said by hypothesis that AE had the same number of CFs, that AB had of CD. Okay, so there were 3 CDs in AB, just like that there were 3 CFs in AE. Therefore, EB is the same multiple of DF that AB is of CD. Okay, so there are 3 CDs in AB, just like there are 3 DFs in EB. That is the remainder EB, so if we were to take EB away from AB, is the same multiple of DF, okay, that AB is of CD. And that's your proof. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.